Fam, you got 5 minutes? Let's use them wisely to release tightness in your lower body and unlock freedom in your chest and shoulders. This routine is perfect for resetting after a long day, energizing your morning, or cooling down after a workout. You don't need much, just a mat, your body, and the willingness to show up. Each stretch is about 30 seconds to a minute, and I promise you by the end, you'll feel lighter, looser, and ready to move through the rest of the day with ease. Let's hit the mat. Let's kick things off with a full body wake up. Think of the stretch as shaking the cobwebs out of your legs and back. Dynamic, energizing, and grounding. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Hinge forward at your hips, letting your arms dangle toward your toes. Sweep your hands across your feet. Keep alternating. Keep your knees soft and your movements smooth and controlled. This dynamic movement stretches your hamstrings, loosens up your lower back, and gets blood flowing through your entire body. It's a perfect way to shake off stiffness. If this is a bit challenging, keep a slight bend in your knees and reach as far as comfortable. On the other hand, if it's too easy, straighten your legs fully and deepen the hinge for an intensified stretch. It's time to roll back up slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Be gentle. Feel your spine lengthen as we move into our next stretch. Let's wake up the hips. Give your spine a well-deserved twist. This one is all about creating space and releasing tension. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee grounded. Plant your left hand on the floor and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold the twist and breathe deeply. Fam, I promise you, this stretch is opening up your hips, loosening your spine, and releasing tightness in your chest and shoulders. It's a triple threat for flexibility and mobility. If you're a beginner, try keeping your back knee slightly elevated to reduce pressure. If you're advanced, lift your back knee off the mat for a deeper stretch in your hips and legs. Let's balance things out with the same stretch on the left side. Think of this as untying the knots in your body, one twist at a time. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge, grounding your right knee. Plant your right hand on the mat and twist to the left, reaching your left arm high. Feel the length in your spine and the stretch in your hips. This stretch is improving your spinal rotation and relieving back stiffness, and it also creates better hip flexibility for smooth and pain-free movement. Here's the catch. If you're a beginner, keep your twist shallow and focus on the hip stretch. If you feel like this is too easy, add a slight back bend by reaching your hand behind your head, and for an added chest opener, bring both hands down to the mat and gently step back. Let's take things to the floor now for some seated work. Time to open up those hips and feel a deep sense of release. Think of this as a gentle reset for your lower body. Take a seat on your mat and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees drop outward like butterfly wings. Sit tall, hold your feet with your hands, and slowly lean forward with a long spine. Only go as far as you feel the stretch in your hips and inner thighs. Fam, this stretch is a lifesaver for tight hips and groin muscles. It improves flexibility, reduces tension, and helps create better range of motion in your legs. If you find this one challenging, sit on a folded blanket to elevate your hips and reduce strain. If you're feeling a bit more flexible, deepen the stretch by pressing your elbows into your knees and leaning further forward. Let's roll back gently, feeling your hips more open and relaxed as we prepare to finish strong. Let's end with a freeing stretch for the chest and shoulders. This is your moment to release. Breathe deeply and stand tall. Kneel on the mat with your knees hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back or grab a towel for the extra stretch. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, lift your chest and arms, rolling your shoulders back. Keep your neck long and your movements intentional. If you've been slouching all day, this is the stretch for you. It opens up your chest, improves shoulder mobility, and it's perfect for creating a sense of lightness in your upper body. If you're starting out, you've never stretched like this before, you can keep your arms lower for a gentler stretch. But if you've been doing this for some time, let's press your hands higher and lean back slightly for a deeper chest opener. Lower your arms, shake out your shoulders, and take a deep breath. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've unlocked tight hips, loosened your upper body, and set yourself up for a more flexible and energized day. If you enjoyed this session, smash the subscribe button and join the fam for more quick and effective routines. Don't forget to grab your free customizable fitness program in the link below. It's packed with everything you need to level up your fitness game. Keep moving, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!